Hi my gourmet cooks, and welcome back to another video with Glameres Gems gourmet recipes. What's on the menu today is fried chicken, so we're going to go ahead and jump into the ingredients. I have black pepper, salt, Tony Chacheres Creole seasonings, seasoned salt, onion, garlic powder, and paprika. You'll need 3 chicken breasts, and I also go ahead and use Old Bay, but I don't have that. So I just have an egg wash here where I've added carnation milk, and then I have my flour. And with my flour, I normally season it with the same seasonings that I put on the chicken. So we're going to go ahead and jump into the recipe. Anytime I cook with chicken breast, I always like to clean and prepare my meat. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is cut this chicken breast right down the middle. And it's very important to do this because you kind of double up on your meat, especially when you're frying chicken. So once I'm done cutting down the middle, I'm going to go ahead and just cut off all of the fat, anything additional that you really won't need. And I'm very thorough with it. I'm just kind of crazy about that. But once you have it cut down the middle and you cut off all of the fat, you want to go ahead and rinse your chicken. Some people like to use lemon juice or, vinegar, whatever, you like to use, go ahead and do that. But it's important to go ahead and clean it and rinse your meat. I'm going to go ahead and cut my chicken breasts into strips now and place them flat down on the pan so that way I can prepare them to be seasoned. Now you'll go ahead and add all of your seasonings, and make sure you check out the description box below. I'll have all of my measurements for that there. Very important, you want to season both sides of your meat. You eat all of your chicken, so you want to taste the seasonings throughout. The same seasonings that we put in our meat, we're going to add into our flour. That way the egg wash doesn't take away from the flavor that we want to taste in our chicken. So now for the fun part. So we're going to go ahead and just have everything lined and prepared. And with clean hands, you're going to go ahead and get your chicken, dip it in your egg wash, and then you're going to dip it into your flour. And I just lined a pan with some parchment paper just so it wouldn't stick. And I'm just going to rest the chicken down on that, or if you have a cooling rack, you can use that as well. And you'll just get all of your chicken coated in the egg wash and flour, and then we'll be ready to fry these babies up. So I jumped the gun a little bit and started frying before I press record again. But anyway, go ahead and lay your chicken one by one in your oil. You do not want to put them all in at the same time because it's going to cool the oil down a little bit. So we want these fried hard. So you just want to do as I'm showing you right here. And I just put in about 4 to 5 pieces in at a time. And I let them fry on each side for about 5 to 6 minutes or until they're golden brown, just like this. So you just want to let it sit. And once it starts to harden up, you'll be able to tell. This is my finished and completed golden chicken strips. So as you can tell, they're nice and golden and crispy on the outside, and you can also see how flavorful they are as well. I went ahead and plated these for y'all, and I paired it with some hot sauce on the side. But yes, it definitely came out really good, very easy and simple to make. If you all are liking videos and recipes like this, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I upload videos on my channel. I always love to share my recipes with you all. And yeah, it just came out really, really good. So I'm going to show you how it looks on the inside. So I'm trying to adjust my camera now, so bear with me. But once I peel it open, you can see that it's nice and juicy on the inside. It's not dried out. And you could see that flakiness of the, crust just peeling off. So yeah, I hope that you enjoy this recipe. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.